Hey Candace, are you going to tell the parents of the children who died that they died in a fake flood? Was it a Hollywood movie set, Candace? By now I'm sure you heard about the tragic flooding in Texas. There's a camp in Texas called Camp Mystic where at least 43 people, including children, have died, and there's still dozens and dozens missing. Let's see if some of our Republican leaders have anything wise to say about this situation. And I know, hard to believe, Marjorie Taylor Greene says something stupid, but here we go. I am introducing a bill that prohibits the injection, release, or dispersion of chemicals or substances into the atmosphere for the express purpose of altering weather, temperature, climate, or sunlight intensities. It will be a felony offense. Marjorie Taylor Greene goes on to say, I've been researching weather modifications and working with legislative camps. Have you been doing your research, Marjorie? Did you look up some videos on YouTube, Marjorie? Marjorie, is the earth flat? Are we gonna shoot space lasers at the clouds, Marjorie? I'm gonna curse, ladies and gentlemen. She's a piece of shit. People in Texas actually said that they get alerts on their phones about flooding, but they get them so often that they ignored the alerts. Folks, let me explain something to you. The reason why you get alerts for weather situations is so that you are prepared of a potential weather situation. The alert is telling you something might happen. The alert is not telling you something's happening right now. If the alert told you something's happening right now, you wouldn't have any time to prep for it. Don't deny science, because when you deny science, bad shit's gonna happen to you. It's hard to believe there's somebody this stupid who's in office. But I found someone even more stupid who's running for office in Georgia. Kandiss Taylor is a Republican candidate for Congress. She wrote this during the floods as children were dying. Fake weather, fake hurricanes, fake flooding, fake, fake, fake. Hey, Candace, you know what's fake? You're a fake Christian and a piece of shit. Candace, are you going to go visit that camp and go console the children who lost their friends? Are you going to tell them that, hey, your friends didn't die, it was a fake death? Are you going to tell them that, Candace? And Candace, are you going to go tell the thousands of weather forecasters from the National Weather Service that got laid off, are you going to tell them that their fake jobs and their fake forecasting wouldn't have saved anybody, maybe even one or two people? Maybe a couple more people would have survived if they didn't get laid off from their fake jobs, Candace? Texas Governor Abbott and other Texas officials are blaming bad forecasting from the National Weather Service for the tragedy. If only there was a way to improve forecasting by the National Weather Service. I can't put my finger on it, ladies and gentlemen of the world. Can you help me figure out what could possibly be done to improve forecasting? Did something happen in the past few months that maybe gutted the National Weather Service and laid off a bunch of people and put them behind the 8 ball when it comes to bad storms like this? I just can't put my finger on it. About 40% of the nation's weather forecast offices have significant staffing vacancies. Have a good hurricane season, everybody.
Forecast that we received on Wednesday from the National Weather Service predicted 3 to 6 inches of rain in the Concho Valley and 4 to 8 inches of rain in the Hill Country. We worked with our own meteorologists to fine-tune that weather statement, and as many of you know, and many of you in broadcast journalism and meteorology, you can go back and look at your own forecast, and the amount of rain that fell in this specific location was never in any of those forecasts.
This rain event sat on top of that and dumped more rain than what was forecasted on both of those forks. When we got the report, it was about 7 feet or so on the South Fork, and within a matter of minutes it was up to 29 feet, and all of that converged at the Guadalupe, and that's where we saw those very quick rise in flood.
But listen, everybody got the forecast from the National Weather Service, right? You all got it. You're all in media. You got that forecast. It did not predict the amount of rain that we saw.
Ali G, I wonder why. I wonder why the forecast was wrong. You know, everyone gives the weather people shit for never getting the forecast right, as if forecasting weather is a perfect science and it's so easy to do. Cutting staff is not going to improve the situation. Georgia, you can do better than this. Do not vote this person in. Georgia, I know you voted in Marjorie Taylor Greene, but Jesus Christ, Georgia, come on.